All right, so that is the distribution board for 1 dB that we have done now. Now, if you want to do another distribution board, say you have maybe 4 dBs, 5 dBs, all you just need to go to do is go back to your settings and come here, add new dB. No, you have already added the dB. You can just, so you've done dBA now. You can just change it here. Come here, dBB, start set active dB. So this is now the new dB you want to load now. Okay. All these other things, you see, they remain the same when you set it. This circuit suffix is now B because you are doing dBB now. Okay. And you start again from your lighting. Okay. You begin to load your lighting. See, it's free. Put in the room sizes and everything. You add room and whatever it is, just add room. So it is, I'm not putting the how we do it. So let's just continue to add room. Same, add room. You set it up. You know how you do all this. I've showed you. Add room. Okay. So you have all this. It's in L1, BL2, BL3, BL4 because I'm not doing so. It's quite intelligent. Increasing it logically. That's the circuits. Okay. Because if you set that in the settings, you go to the sockets too. Same thing. I'm not just gonna grab the room name. So it's P1B, okay, because we have so second room too, P2B, P3B. So I'm just trying to do it fast. Then the air conditioning too, okay. I want this to be, since that's P3B, I want this to be P4B. So I'll just put there P4-B. So automatically I have P4B there. Okay, just make this one either 2 horsepower, 1 horsepower, whatever. You add room. All right. So you go to your dedicated, you add your cooker. So I want to use a cook or a water heater. I want this to be H1B. Okay, tighter H1B. Maybe let's say we have 2 water heaters. So this other one, let me see how it's going to. Okay, it's using the dedicated, so I'm gonna edit it because I have D in my dedicated H2B. Update, so I have H2B there now. No, sorry, I was editing the wrong one. Sorry about that. H1B, update room, and this one H2B. Okay, update room. And so if you go to your load schedule now build schedule for DBB. Can you see that? So your schedule is built for DBB. This is how you enter this, and it gives the circuit summary. Okay, so if you want to adjust your phases, you want to balance them, just click on this. You auto balance them. You can see 4 beautiful. It gives you your load summary, 12.5 kilowatts, estimated load current, main breaker, depends on demand factor you're using, feeder cable, power factor. So very easy, very simple. So if peradventure, okay, so I have 2 dBs now. If peradventure, okay, you have a typical situation whereby you have the same kind of flats or rooms or that are using the same distribution board or consumer unit. So if you want to, let's go back to the load schedule. Let's say you have a typical situation. Maybe this particular DB is typical with another DB. Just come here. Okay, DB2. Click on show here. All right, so you want to duplicate this DB into a new DB. So let's say you want to duplicate into DB dash C. I think this should be DB dash C. Does it exist? So duplicate DBB into a new DB and make it active. Let's see. Okay, duplicate DB name. A DB with this name already exists. Okay, so because we already created DBB in the settings when we're here, we had already created DBC rather. Okay, so if you want to duplicate, it will be another a DB that you have not created at all. Okay, so have that in mind. So we're in load schedule now. I want to duplicate DB. So let's say I create a DBE, DB dash E. I want to duplicate this DB into DBE. So I'll just, you see, say duplicate DBB into new DB and make it active. So it becomes the active DB when I duplicate it. So I just click here. So duplicate DBB to DBE with suffix E. So and just after you click that, just click here, build schedule. Can you see L1E? Now the same distribution board, the same circuits, but different distribution boards. So if you have that, let's say you have 4 flats that are typical. So instead of creating one by one, you have it all done here for you. Just click duplicate, and it does it for you. It has everything there. You want to auto balance the faces, you auto balance them, and you have auto balance face. Does all the calculation for you. Okay, very very simple, very very easy. All right. All right, so you can see that. So we have 3 DBs now, DBA, DBB, then we duplicated DBB into DBE. So I've taught you how to do different DBs, and I've taught you how to duplicate DBs. So you can duplicate 10 DBs, 20 DBs, all right? So when you come here, so and as you're doing it, is giving you a load summary for each individual DB. And finally, when it comes to your panel, you can see this is the project grand total of all the distribution boards that you have done. Okay, this is the grand total. So you see the grand total, you can see them all there. Estimated demand, okay, and total current, okay. You see all the estimated load there. All right. Then this each distribution board also, you see the distribution board DBA. This is the one for DBA. If you go back, so DBA has 7615, 7675, 7900. If you go to DBA on your list schedule, you see it there. So I can make to see it there, just go back, make DBA the active DB, come to settings, come here, and make DBA the active DB to see the details. So make it the active DB. Go back to your load schedule. You can see DBA 7615, 7675, 7900. If you come to the panel, DBA 7615, 7675, 7900. So everything that is so simple, very, very easy. And you can always, get your export them into your drawings. Very very easy. So here you can see them export. So if you want to export CSV, for instance, now you just click on export here. It goes into your Excel sheet, and from your Excel sheet, very easy, you pick it into your own drawing. All right, very very easy. If you don't know how to do that, it's very simple. So if you have it in an Excel sheet here, I'm going to show you, if you don't know how to do that already, how you take them into your drawing. Okay, so you have it in the Excel sheet here. Or you just copy the cells that you want to take and click copy. Click copy. Open your AutoCAD drawing, wherever it is. So let's say this is where you want to put it. Okay. Let's say you want to put it here. This is what you just simply do. You come to here, drop down here, paste special. Okay. So you have two choices. You paste as Microsoft Excel worksheet, or you paste as AutoCAD entities. I'll do both and so you can see the difference. Then paste as Microsoft Excel binary worksheet. So I can paste one here, and I paste one here, and I come back here again and paste as AutoCAD and paste special, paste as AutoCAD entities. All right. So you see the difference. I'm going to show you the difference. Now just put it side by side. Okay. So I'm going to scale it up. I know you know how to do all this, so it's not a big deal. Okay. So this is, so whichever one you prefer. So what you do now is you can explode it. Explode this. Okay. And if you have any editing to do your editing, but I don't have any editing to do. This is one single distribution board. Okay. The same goes for when you want to export your panel and all. So I will do that in another session. I hope you're having a cool understanding. So you see, you've done everything with us. This is very, very fast. Takes half of the work off your neck. All the calculation done for you, cable size and load size, everything done for you.